Good morning and welcome to Montverde Academy. Montverde is very pleased to announce the adoption of a brand new LMS system known as Canvas. We're very happy to make this announcement because this piece of software is used by a number of high-ranking universities throughout the entire country, including Florida State University, UCF, University of Michigan, Brown, Dartmouth, and countless others that you can see here on this list. Montverde Academy is vested in making sure that your student is not only prepared to be successful at MVA, but beyond, and Canvas will help us do this. Now, as a parent, you want to be informed of understanding how well your student is doing and to be helped to guide them through their academic career here at Montverde. The first step is making sure that you are paired with your student when it comes to the LMS system, Canvas. The first thing you want to do is you want to have your student create an observer code for you when you create your Canvas account. I'll show you how to do that now. I'm logged into my account right now, and my account will look slightly different than yours, but it will look very similar to this. And you want to have your student go to their profile by clicking on their picture, if they have a picture, or maybe their initials by clicking up here, and then going to settings. They can do this from their tablet or from a computer. It works just the same. So again, I went to my picture or my initial maybe up here. I went to settings. Okay, and then if you look over here, you'll see this button right here on the side. And you'll see this within your tablet as well too. Might be in a different location, but you want to find the words pair with observer. Now when you click this, a very short code will come up, and you want to write this code down. Now please understand that this code is case sensitive. If it is an uppercase C, you want to make sure to use that. If it's a lowercase j, please use that. So it is case sensitive, so write that down. Now if you have more than one student, you will be able to put in more than one observer code, but to start with, you only need one. Once I have that observer code, I'm going to go to this address right here, www.montverde.org/LMS-TAC login, LOGIN. We'll publish this link in a number of different locations, so you'll be able to log in. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Parent Login. It'll open up a new tab. And then if this is your first time logging in, which for many of you it will be, I'm going to click on this link right here, Parent of a Canvas User. Click here for an account. Now, at this point, I'm going to enter in all my information, your name, your email address, whatever email you desire, and then there's that pairing code. Now, if you're doing, you want to make sure to use case sensitive, and then you want to agree to the terms, and then start participating. That's all you have to do. Okay. Now, once you've logged in, and I'm going to do that now here, I'm going to log in using a parent code. Okay, once logged in, you'll see this kind of dashboard. Now you can actually change the look of this. It might look a little bit different. You can actually hitting these three little buttons, you can get recent activity. This will give you an update of upcoming homework assignments for all your students that you have registered, or any other types of information. Or you can go to the card view, which will show a list of all your students' classes. Now the first thing, nice and quick for you, is you can go ahead and check your student grades. You can do that by clicking on the side here, clicking View Grades. This will have the list of all your students and the classes that they're in and the grades they have received thus far. Now this is an overall grade for them. This is an overall quarter grade. Okay. Now the next thing you can do is you want to go in and maybe get some specifics on your students. So you go ahead and click on one of the classes. Now this class here is actually the training class for the teachers to learn Canvas. I want to go ahead and navigate to grades. And you can see here, both of my students, myself included, and my example student are here. And you can select them and see the different grades and what they have scored on this particular assignment. Now, at this point, you can notice that I'm within the Canvas training class. I can go to any one of these things and I can see announcements, assignments, discussions, pages are like web pages, files. I can get all this information to help assist my student in becoming successful in this class. Now, if you have another student that you want to add, or you have another code, observer code you want to add, all you need to do is go to your account, settings, observing, and this is where you put that additional code. You can see the 2 students that I'm observing here, and all you do is type in that code, again, case sensitive, and that's all you have to do. Another nice feature of Canvas is they have a specific Canvas app for parents. All you have to do is go into either your Android store or your store, your app store for your iPhone, and go ahead and punch in Canvas and download the Canvas parent app. Now, I'm going to scroll back here because this is a screen recording. You'll see here, the first thing you do, scroll over here for it, is that you'll find your school, and you'll go ahead and type in the school's name, Montverde. Go ahead and here, type in Montverde, and you'll see that it will pop up. Right there it is. And you want to make sure to select Montverde Parent. Once you do this, login information the same. Now, if you've already created an account, you just want to use that email address and your password. Now, if this is your first time, you want to go ahead and hit create account and follow the same exact steps that I outlined with using your PC or your Mac. Put in the code there. I'm going to slide ahead here. And now you'll notice that I've gone ahead and I've logged into the app. Once I've all logged in, there we go. Now you'll notice that I have my example student, and if I wanted to see my other student, I would just hit that the little down arrow there, and it would take me to the next student. Same sort of things. I'll be able to view my courses, the week in advance, alerts, announcements, how they're doing in those individual classes, the assignments they have coming up, and you can do this all from your iPhone or tablet. Manage students is the same thing, logging out, it's all the exact same process. It's just very easy to do this from your smartphone. And that's the app itself. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at kyle.clapper@montverde.org with any and all questions that you have involve your student. And thank you again for investing in your child's future by bringing them to Montverde Academy. Have a great day.